everyone, welcome to my new video. So from today I will start a new skincare treatment and I will be using it for a week to see the result. So this treatment is a whitening treatment. A few of you might think a whitening face is a bad idea. I remember a long time ago, maybe a year ago, I said I wanted to have a lighter skin, whitening my skin. Some people said, why you want to look like Caucasian? To have lighter skin doesn't mean I want to be a Caucasian, just because different beauty standard. In Asia, most girls prefer their skin is lighter. Back to Asian China, to have a lighter skin, this is one of important beauty standard for girls. This standard since a long time ago, I grew up with that standard to have a lighter skin. This is just a different beauty standard. So to whitening your skin is not just to make your skin white, it's to brighten your skin, to make your skin lighter than before. My skin will never be as light as Caucasian. It will only be lighter than I usually have. This is not whiten your face, this is brighten your skin. So this whitening product is also make acne scar lighter and even out the skin tone. So after 1 week treatment, I'm hoping my T-zone will close to the skin color on my cheeks, especially my forehead. The skin on my forehead is a lot of darker than my cheeks. So this is also for even out the skin tone. This is from Elizavecca. This is a Korean beauty product, and this product is different than other whitening product because it's separate. In this bottle is 100% of vitamin C, and in this bottle is the whitening sauce serum, pure vitamin C powder. Very powerful product. It says before you sleep, take appropriate amount of the vitamin C powder and mix it with the serum. So it looks like you can only use it before go to bed. You can't use it in the morning. So I heard about after you use the vitamin C product, you can't have the sun directly on your skin. It'll make your skin get darker. That's what I heard about. It looks like you use this product only before you go to bed and then sleep immediately after about 10 minutes. Is that strict? Sleep immediately. So for my understanding is that after I use the product, I can't have the lights and the phone lights. That's very strict. So right now it's about 4 o'clock. So I can't use it right now. I will wait before I go to bed. Whitening sauce serum is not just brightening your skin, it also helps to improving of wrinkles. I have some wrinkles when I raise my eyebrow. This is because my bad habit raising my eyebrows when I talk. This will help the wrinkles as well. So when you use this, you need to be careful, not around your eyes. So I will use this before I go to bed. The serum has a very light flower scent. It also contains empty bottle, so you don't have to mix it every time. I will try it before I go to bed. Okay, right now it's after 11 o'clock, so I'm going to use this powder. It's quite itchy here. I got mosquito bite. A little bit powder. I'll just do 1, 2, 3. And then the whitening serum. I will just do 1 job. 2 job. I don't want to waste it. And then you mix it with powder, very liquid. And then just apply it on your face. 2 jobs is not enough. 1, 2, vitamin C powder. So I'll apply it on where I have the mosquito bites, and it's a little bit sting. I saw some people just use the white serum directly on their face, doing this way. I need whitening my forehead. That's the main part. And my nose. I'm not sure if I can put everything in it, to put all the powder in it. It's a little bit sticky, so I'll be using it a week and to see the result. Hopefully it will whitening a little bit. The texture is sticky. Maybe you just need time to dry. So it's almost after 5 minutes. It's getting dry, so it's not as sticky as before. Hi everyone, So I have been using the whitening product for over a week. Does lighten my skin a little bit, and because it's 100% vitamin C. And as I said before, when you do whitening product, also need to do very good sun protection, like the sun protection umbrella and sunscreen. You just need to all protect it. Try it out if you are interested, and if you are allergic to vitamin C or whitening product, then don't use it. You have to use it before 10 minutes go to bed. That's very strict. Bye bye, I will see you in next video soon. Wow, somehow my hair is getting so long.